Good morning. Good morning. Hi, Donnie. Say hi. Hi, Kobe. Donnie's holding Kobe's hand. Yeah? Donnie, where's Kobe? Oh, don't kick Kobe. Don't kick him. He's your cousin. No. No, Donnie, don't do that. Don't. No. He's doing it anyway. Donnie, take your leg off Kobe, please. Thank you. No. Donnie, be nice to Kobe. No. No. You want to hold Kobe's hand? Donnie, don't do that with your feet. You want to give Kobe a hug? Give Kobe a hug. Say, Kobe, I love you. Say, I love you. Yeah?
Donnie, say hi. Say hi to Kobe.